Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds in Battle.net and make your games download much faster. Whether your Battle.net downloads feel painfully slow, or you just want to get your games installed as quickly as possible, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Battle.net application on your computer, and click on the Battle.net icon in the top corner. From the menu, go into Settings. Once you're there, select Downloads from the side menu and scroll down until you see Download Limits. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. Next, uncheck the limits for the latest updates and pre-release content. This ensures that Battle.net isn't restricting your download speed in the background. Click Done and wait a few moments to see if your download speed improves. Sometimes this change works almost instantly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Close other programs that may be using the internet. Check the hidden icons on your taskbar for background apps, and disconnect from any VPN you might be using. Doing this beforehand can save bandwidth and help prevent slow speeds. If your download is still slow, go back to the Battle.net download settings and enable the download limits again. This time, set both limits to a very high number, something well above your actual internet speed, then click Done and wait a minute or two. If it doesn't help, you can simply turn the limits back off. Once you've completed these steps, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection, if possible. If you're using Wi-Fi, open the Start menu, go to Wi-Fi settings, and check if your network has a 5 GHz option. Connecting to a 5 GHz network can significantly boost download speeds and improve stability. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix slow Battle.net download speeds and download your games much faster without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?